All right, guys, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and you already know every now and then we gotta keep it simple, and that's why we go to our one-pot meals. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this queso chicken and rice. You're gonna love it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken breast. We have some rotel tomatoes here, chicken broth, nacho cheese, cumin, chili powder, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil. We got our rice here. I've already washed and rinsed it. It is uncooked. And right here we have some shredded Mexican cheese. Now, I'm using the packaged pre-shredded Mexican cheese. I typically don't use this for my recipes, depending on what it is, but very rarely, but I had it in my refrigerator. One reason I don't use it because of how it melts, because it has that film on it to keep it from sticking together while it's in the package. But hey, let's go ahead and go through the recipe. We'll see how it turns out, and you'll know whether it'll be okay to use pre-shredded cheddar cheese. All right, let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna heat up our olive oil. Once that oil heats up, we're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna hit that with some seasoned salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and cumin. And we're gonna saute this for about 5 to 6 minutes until the chicken is almost cooked through. You don't have to have it fully cooked at this particular step. All right, so after about that 5 to 6 minutes, you wanna go in with your rice. And you wanna toast this for about 1 minute. After about 1 minute, go in with your rotel. We're gonna cook this for an additional minute or so. All right, so after that minute, we're gonna go in with our chicken broth. We're gonna bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're gonna cover it up, reduce our heat down to low, and we're gonna let this simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the rice is tender and most of the liquid has been absorbed. All right, so after about 20 minutes, we're gonna remove our lid. And guys, this is what we have. Looks like the liquid has almost been completely absorbed. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna go in with our shredded cheddar cheese. And our nacho cheese. We're gonna get this mixed in until it's all melted and our mixture is creamy. Guys, take a look at what we have right there. Now we're gonna turn off our heat, add the remaining of the cheese on top, like this. The first time we added that cheese, it was a cup. Now we're adding 1/4 of a cup to a half. We're gonna cover this up for a couple of minutes and let that cheese melt. Hopefully that packaged cheese melts the way we want it to melt so it looks really pretty, all right? All right, so after about 3 minutes, remove our lid. Man, look at that. That cheese melted beautifully. Guys, look at that. Now we're gonna hit it with some of that green stuff. And this is not parsley, this is cilantro. And there you have it. One pot queso chicken and rice. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. Man, this baby looking good. All right, it's quality control time. Let's go ahead and bring me groceries. Y'all know we gotta bring them groceries to the front of the congregation. Look at that. Oh man, man. We ain't gonna waste no time. We're gonna get on this baby right here. Then this baby look good too. Oh man. This baby is so nacho cheesy, ricey, chickeny. Oh man. I like the addition of that nacho cheese. Oh man, it makes it creamy. And it gives it a little of that kick too. Just a little spicy kick that we looking for, along with the chilies. God, I don't think I need to do add a little sour cream to the top of this, and man, we'll be in heaven. Oh man. God. And to the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.